How life might change after the pandemic. Where will we be in the next 6 months or an year or a decade? What will happen to our lives, jobs, and other day to day activities? The pandemic has made us all vulnerable. Our lives could change in many ways henceforth. No matter what, we are all going to get through this for sure. But it's the after effects that's going to change our lives forever. Here are some possibilities of how our lives would change after the pandemic, no matter where we live. And we all can be physically and emotionally prepared to adapt to these small changes that can save a lot of us. Wearing masks might become a law in many countries. And because masks might become part and parcel of our daily wear, fashion industries might show their creativity. Markets might get flooded with different designs of masks. Health and hygiene norms might become more stringent. This would prevent the emergence of any other deadly pandemic too. Hand washes, sanitizers, tissues, disinfectants might become a demanded product and every household might require it. Online transactions will increase in number. Offices and public spaces might need to adopt to an alternative office space design which correlates with the social distancing norms. Cubicle systems might change. Sensor based doors might be adopted instead of door knobs and door handles. People might actually start paying more attention to their health and hygiene. Overall usage of water might rise up. Offices that use biometrics might have to set up a different solution. Handshakes might slowly be forgotten. People will adopt different safe ways of greeting and wishing. Physical workforce presence might fall down. Automation or virtual workforce might rise up. Business based on home delivery, e commerce, digital banking, edutech, and smart homes might magnify multifolds. The upcoming generations will be more inclined to digital way of learning and be more exposed to screen time and virtual learning. Industries based on tourism, travel, hotel and accommodation will take their time to boom again. If prevention and cure medicines were found for the virus, it would become the primary health need in many countries. Sudden change is difficult to handle for many of us because we are not prepared for it. It can take the wind out of our sails, stop us in our tracks, and leave our life as we know it change forever. It can wreak havoc on us physically, mentally, and emotionally as we do our best to recover from the shock from what we never saw coming down the road. Looking at it from a different perspective, though, crisis can also be a cause to reevaluate our choices and habits and is a perfect catalyst for change.